So this is 1st of November in the park. The autumn is finally here. Wonderful weather, the sun is shining, and the nature is preparing for a winter. But for now, you see the grass is still green, nice. So all these beautiful colors, the falling leaves, lifted by my window. You remember the song? And all this passing through green to red. But what I have to say for now, the weather is pretty good for 1st of November. Let me have some colors here. That's the place, the playing ground for the kids. And here they are. You can hear their voices coming on the street. Such a great autumn, such a great fall. And there we have a little bit of Halloween. Let's take a closer look about that. Because yesterday was Halloween. Oh, there we are. Yeah, isn't this beautiful? Sound of the falling leaves. This is classic autumn. Yeah, so this is the end of this video clip. I done that in purpose for having a beginner tutorial about how to edit and put together some video shooting in Vegas 18. I hope you like the autumn in the park. Thank you so much. I'll be back soon with some new projects, but for now, don't forget to have fun and be safe, and see you soon. Bye bye.